Canada Day may still be a couple of weeks away, but the students of East Elgin Secondary School are already putting their pride in our great country on display. Over 30 grade 10 art students, led by teachers Robert Ponzio and Amy Sawyers, have spent months crafting a magnificent 16-foot by 20-foot mural, a Canadian flag made up of self-portraits from each of the young artists. The masterpiece is called On Guard for Thee. It's a vibrant and patriotic expression of the community's diversity and Canadian identity. The project was supported by the Royal Canadian Legion branches in Port Burwell and Elmer, and some of the community's veterans have already had a chance to take it in. Those who have served and helped build our country get to see the spirit of Canada alive in the next generation. The mural has already been showcased at the Elmer Legion and will soon be presented at the Old Imperial Market. The teachers and students hope to bring their work of art to the provincial capital and eventually on to Ottawa to share their love of Canada with as many people as possible. Congratulations to all the artists, and go Eagles!